Hello everyone. Welcome to UK Tax and Annual Return Filing course. I'm your tutor Owais Mirchawala. In this course, we will be looking at practical aspects of UK taxation and different methods of doing business in UK. It will start from some basic discussion that how you can form your own company in UK if you're living inside UK or if you're living abroad. How you have to take a virtual address for your company, how you can open a UK bank account for your company and for your own self also. And then we'll move towards detail of UK taxation, some practical aspect that how you have to do corporation tax return filings, how you have to do VAT return filings, how you have to do filings for individuals who are doing job, who are doing businesses, who are earning rental incomes, dividends and things like that. And then we'll be looking at payroll filings, national insurance filing, which is one of the important aspects in UK, which operates along with income tax. And along with that, we'll also be looking at capital gain tax return filing. This course will be majorly focused on practical aspects, and along with that, I'll also be giving you the knowledge about the UK taxation. This course is relevant for everyone who is living in UK or who is looking to provide services for clients living in UK or doing businesses in UK. See, when you talk about economy like UK, the taxation and consultancy services for secretarial matters. Secretarial matters means formation of company, dealing with the company house, and the taxation matter. These services are very lucrative and very valuable services in UK. So those who are living in UK, they can do these services for the clients in UK, or those living in other countries also can provide these services online. See, when we talk about times like today, everyone is interested to do business in UK, like online retailing businesses through Amazon or providing different services in UK. Like if I talk about our institution also, we have students throughout the globe. We have students in United Kingdom. So for every business who is looking for globalization, doing businesses in different countries, this course is very much relevant. So you have to watch this course, you have to take this course if you want to do your own filings, if you want to do your own business, or if you want to get yourself involved in the consultancy activity, providing services to different people. You can provide services to people living inside UK, and you can also provide services to people living in other countries, but they are doing their businesses in UK, like online retailing businesses of Amazon. Like in nowadays, these businesses are very important and they are prospering. So you can provide them services for tax return filing. Normally, they don't have idea about VAT filings, about corporation tax return filings. So this is a very lucrative service, a very profitable service which you can provide. Now, before going in detail of this course, let me introduce myself, that who I am and why you should be taking this course from me. See, I am a top tutor of UK taxation, and I've been teaching UK taxation for more than 15 years. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and I teach UK taxation to chartered accountancy students for advanced level. So the grip and the knowledge which I have of this area is outstanding. Like I would say that my alumni for UK taxation area, it would include students like more than 20,000 students. And I've been teaching these students throughout the globe who are doing this UK-based chartered accountancy. So when you will be taking this course from me, the depth of the UK taxation, the level of advisory knowledge, that how you can advise your clients, how you have to deal with different things, that will be at a very next level. More than 30 of my students have secured nationwide positions in UK taxation in chartered accountancy courses. So when you'll be taking this course from me, it will be a very different type of learning, and you will get a very well structured and in-depth knowledge. See, this time you will be studying this course from a real teacher who has been teaching this course for more than 15 years. So in a very well structured manner, and in a very great manner, I'll be delivering you this course, and I will enable you from the practical aspect also, that how you have to gain the clients, how you have to provide the services. We will be doing complete practical aspect. Like I'll be making a complete company with you guys. I'll pay the fees, I'll like the UK company registration fees, and we'll form a complete company along with you in this course. We'll deal with all of the corporation tax filings, company house filings, how you have to take a virtual address, how you have to open a UK bank account. So everything will be discussed in detail. Okay. Now there will be two portions of this course. One is the knowledge aspect of UK taxation. So for the knowledge aspect, there will be a separate discussion in which I'll be delivering you the knowledge about the UK taxation, that how the income tax is calculated, how different types of taxes operate. And the second portion of this course is the practical filing aspect, that how you have to actually deal with the HMRC portal. HMRC portal, His Majesty Revenue and Customs, the UK Tax Department portal. See, there will be two types of people listening to my course. Type number one is those who don't have any knowledge about UK taxation. So they have to take my classes in relation to UK tax knowledge, and they have to take my classes in relation to practical filing also. So they will get a complete in-depth knowledge about UK taxation. Second type of people will be those who already have knowledge about the UK taxation. Like this includes those people who are already done with Chartered Accountancy, who are already taking my courses of like ACCA or ICAW, even those who have taken skills module level courses. Okay, so those people have the relevant knowledge about the UK taxation. So they only want to equip themselves with the practical aspect. So these will be two separate portions. So you will be able to use this course as per your own convenience. These classes, these lectures will be pre-recorded. You will be able to watch them on your own convenience. But my pre-recorded lectures are outstanding because in 1 year, I teach around more than 2,500 students. I am a regular online classes teacher. I teach Chartered Accountancy qualification. I'm a director of an institution in Pakistan, Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy, and we are providing services in 60 plus countries. And we are approved learning provider of ACCA. So this all builds up my profile as a top tutor, and most importantly, a top tutor for UK taxation. An experience of 15 years which I'll be contributing here, and that practical aspect and that practical insight which I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so it will be taught from very much scratch. Everything will be covered in detail, but the most important thing will be your patience and concentration. You have to listen to everything, a lot of detail with a lot of concentration. And whenever you have any query, you can always connect with me on my direct WhatsApp number. I'm writing it here also. We'll go in detail after today's class, but introducing you with some basic information. So before enrollment, after enrollment, any query you have, you can always connect with me directly on my WhatsApp. Okay, you can take these classes as per your own convenience. And when you have queries, you can always connect with me. So now we will be going in detail of this course, that what this course will include, what about myself, what is the course outline, for whom this course is relevant, and a lot of interesting discussion. Okay, so our today's class will be an orientation and introduction class to give you an idea that what this course is about and why this course is important. This course will actually result in earning something, because once you take this course, you'll be able to provide services to different people. Just think about economy of UK, where a taxi driver also have to file a UK tax return. A taxi driver also. UK is a developed country where everyone have to file a UK tax return. It's not like developing countries where people evade their taxes. They don't pay their taxes. It's not like that. In UK, everyone, a small store also has to file their tax return. So in that economy, the knowledge of UK tax, providing these services, starting from the very basic, it's very important. And when we talk about this world of globalization, online services, everyone is interested to earn in GBP, in pounds. So there are different people providing services in UK, like those who are doing online retailing business, like Amazon or Shopify or things like that, eBay or these online retailing. So for all those also, your services will be very much relevant, like how they have to form their company, how they have to look at the VAT issues and everything. And for actual people living in UK who are looking for small services, like a person who is doing a normal job and want to file his UK tax return, so you can provide these services to you. Okay, so it will be completely from practical aspect, and it will equip you with actual skills which are saleable, through which you will be able to provide consultancy services. And those living in UK doing their own job, this course will simply result in their saving. Like now, every year they don't have to hire a tax lawyer or pay to someone. You can file your own return. You can look at your own portal. You will get an understanding. Okay, so all of these things will be included in this course. So UK tax and annual return filing course, a practically developed, a course developed with practical aspect or with practical perspective. Okay, see, what I will be doing is that when I'll be teaching you some knowledge, I'll be actually writing it down during the class. I'll provide you these PDF files. And when I will be teaching you the practical aspect, like when we'll be going through the actual company's house website, the actual HMRC website. So at that time, we'll be actually exploring all the portals. Okay. Now the course is divided in two components. This course is divided in two components. What are those two components? Component number one is knowledge about UK taxation, the knowledge aspect, that what the tax rate is, how the taxation is derived, how the capital gain tax works, how employment income works, how you have to calculate the benefits. So that is the knowledge aspect. And the second aspect of this course is practical, practical return filing aspect. Okay. The second aspect is practical return filing aspect. Okay. So here we will be actually exploring different portals of HMRC, the UK tax department, companies house, where the companies are registered, and relevant softwares. See, in UK, all of these things are through different softwares. So we will be exploring the softwares also, that how you have to deal with these things. Okay, so it will be divided in two portions, the knowledge area and the practical area. Okay. Okay, so now let's move forward and look at one most important thing, that for whom this course is relevant. Okay, we'll move forward, and in our today's class, we'll be looking at course outline also. But your concentration will be important. For whom this course is relevant. Okay, so those who are living in UK want to file their own return. Those who are living in UK and want to file their own return, like many of my students are in UK, or many of the people listening to this course will be living in UK. They must be doing their jobs, their businesses, and they want to file their own return. So this course can be helpful for you. Okay. Those who are living in UK and want to do consultancy, and tax services business. Okay, like those who want to provide these services to different people, so for them also this is a very relevant service. Now the most important category, those who are living outside UK. If you are living outside UK and you want to do your UK business, and you want to do business in UK. So for them also, this course is very much relevant. Like if you're living outside UK and you want to do something like Amazon or Shopify or things like that, so you need to understand that how your company will be registered. Obviously, in this course, I won't be teaching that how you have to do the Amazon business, but I'll be teaching you that how you can form your company, how you have to look at the taxes, how you have to deal things like that. And those who are living outside UK, those who are living outside UK and want to provide outside UK and want to provide tax and consultancy services and consultancy services. Now you can do this as a freelancer also, or you can do it through any firm, like a job in any firm. So this course will be very much relevant for you because this course will equip you. What this course will equip us? Okay. Skills included in this course. So this course will equip you with practical skills in relation to UK tax return filings, okay, like corporation tax return filing, VAT return filing, okay, capital gain tax return filing, national insurance return filing, so all the relevant tax return filing, payroll filings, and companies house return filings. Okay, so it will include all those matters also. So this course will equip you with all the practical aspect. Okay, like you will have the practical aspect of these things. If you want to deal with any client, you can simply take him on board and you can deal with that. I'll be guiding you that how you can locate the clients, who are your relevant clients, like the individuals, normal individuals living in UK. Now, if you're within UK, you can connect with them directly, or if you're living outside UK, you can connect with them through Fiverr, Upwork, social media services. You can connect with them and you can provide them services. So this course is relevant for everyone who is living in UK or living outside UK. Okay, because I'll be teaching you the aspects that if you're living outside UK also, then how you have to form your own company, how you have to deal with these issues. Okay, and this all will be from the practical aspect. Okay, a course developed with practical perspective, like how you have to actually deal with the client and provide the services. I'll be giving you the entire knowledge and also the practical aspect. Now, for whom this course is relevant? For those living in UK and for those living outside UK also. Okay, if you have a plan to join some UK based firm, so this course will be a great value addition. And most importantly, you will be getting a certificate also. So if you want to do it through any firm, like you want to provide services to any firm, so you will also be awarded with a certificate. So when you will be awarded with a certificate, the benefit will be that if you want to go for any job, you will have a proper recognition and a certificate of Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy. The good thing is that we are approved learning partner of UK based Chartered Accountancy. So this certificate will be valuable. Okay, we are approved learning provider of UK based Chartered Accountancy. Provider of UK based Chartered Accountancy. Okay, so our certificate will be very much relevant for you. We provide teachings of ACCA and ICAW. Both of them are the UK based Chartered Accountancy. So you'll have a certificate. So if you are looking for any job in a UK based firm, this will be great help for you. Okay, now let's look at the course outline, that what we will be studying in this course. Okay, let's look at the course outline. Now, when we talk about the course outline, we will start with the aspect that if you want to do business in UK, how you can register your company. Okay, we will start with company legal and tax matters. Okay, company legal and tax matters. That what are the legal and tax matters for companies? The corporation matters, companies legal and tax matters. This will include formation of a UK based company, that how you can form a UK based company, of UK based company. We will talk on virtual address thing. See, if you are living inside UK or outside UK, for both of them, this virtual address is very important. Like sometimes people don't have the funds to open a physical address. Like buying a physical place in UK or taking it on rent increases your cost. So you can have a virtual address. Now, what is virtual address? That there are shared offices available in UK in which you have a virtual presence. So we look at it, opening of UK bank account, like how you can open a UK bank account for your company and for your own self also. Okay, opening of UK bank account. If you're living inside UK or if you're living outside UK, both of them can open a UK bank account. So we look at that. We look at matters relating to company's house, which we call as secretarial matters relating to company's house. Okay, the secretarial matters. This will include annual return of a company. This will include registration of company, all of these things. Registration matters, like how you have to make your memorandum of association, how you have to make your articles of association. Okay. And then we'll look at corporation tax matters. Now, when we talk about corporation tax matters, here you will have dealing with the UK tax department, which is HMRC, His Majesty Revenue and Customs. That how you have to register your company for UK tax. Okay, there is a concept of unique tax reference, UTR, authentication codes, how you get these codes. So we'll talk on that. Corporation tax matters, annual tax return filing. Okay, we'll be looking at that also. Annual tax return filing. And then we will be looking at use of softwares. See, normally when you are dealing with clients, the clients are using different softwares. So we'll be looking at that how you have to use these softwares. I'll be demonstrating you some use of software so you can have an idea. Then we'll look at value added tax matters. When your business grows beyond a certain level, beyond a VAT registration limit, so you have to register for value added tax. Value added tax matters for companies. Okay, for companies and businesses, we'll look at that also. So this whole discussion will be done. And see, just looking at my orientation, you must be getting an idea that my approach is to teach slowly. I teach from scratch. I repeat the things because I want my students to be well equipped and well aware of everything when they are done with the class. Like everything will be in your mind. You will, it will be learned automatically when you are taking my class because I repeat the things, I give revision. I give homeworks, like I'll be giving you homework in the practical thing also. I'll be asking you everyone to make your own companies. We'll make all of us will make one company, we'll register it with the company house, we'll look at the HMRC thing, the entire practical thing. Like you will get equipped with the entire thing that if a client comes to you, want to do a business in UK, how you have to deal with all of these things. Okay, so the company's legal and tax matters. Once done with that, then we'll move towards individual, individual taxation matters. Now, when we talk about individual taxation matters, we will be looking at different sources of income, like if someone is earning from rental income, which we call as property or rental income, how you have to deal with that. We will look at sole trader and partnership business income, which we call as self-employment situation. Sole trader and partnership income. We'll talk on that how you have to file those returns. Now, in this sole trader and partnership, you will have income tax also. And there will be one more thing also, which we call as national insurance. See, in UK, there's income tax, which is important for operating the entire country. And then there is national insurance also. When we say this word national insurance, it is like old age benefit plan. The national insurance which will be provided to you in form of state pension. So there are contributions for it also. We will be looking at employment income returns, like if you are doing a job somewhere. So how you have to look at employment income returns. Again, here also income tax matters and national insurance contribution matters. Okay. So on employment income and on sole trader and partnership businesses, the national insurance also applies. We'll look at that. We'll have discussion about interest income matters, that how the interest income is taxed. We'll talk about dividend income matters. Okay. Like different sources of income. See, when you will be dealing with a client, that client may have incomes coming from different sources. So we'll look at it that how these different sources are dealt with. Now, when I'm saying this individual taxation matters, we will be looking at official HMRC portal also, that how the tax department portal works. And along with that, we will also be looking at use of different softwares. See, normally when we talk about UK, people very rarely use the HMRC portal, the official portal. They normally use different softwares which automatically perform different functions. So we'll also be looking at use of different softwares. Okay, like there's Iris Elementor, one of the software will look at it, that how it works. You just submit data at one place, you just press enter, and it's automatically submitted to the tax department. It's integrated with HMRC. So we'll look at that. Then along with that, we'll be looking at one of the important service in UK, which is payroll filings. Now, what is payroll filings? That how many number of employees are working in the organization every month. The businesses in UK, either a company or a normal sole trader or partnership business, they have to make payroll filings about their employees. This will include the declaration about the number of employees, the national insurance contributions. We'll be looking at that also. And along with that, we'll be looking at capital gain tax filings, that how you have to do the filings for capital gain tax. Okay, so all of these things will be included in this practical course. Okay, so basically how the things will work around. There will be knowledge-based classes which will be separate. Okay, there will be separate knowledge-based classes, separate classes for taxation knowledge. See, this is a separate thing that you need to understand, that how the UK tax works. And then there will be separate classes for practical filings. See, what is the difference between both of them? See, practically you don't need a lot of taxation knowledge because there are softwares which perform the task automatically. Okay, so maybe some of the individuals are comfortable in practical filing things only. Okay, so you will have the separate classes for practical filings and you will have separate classes for taxation knowledge. But both of these things will be included in the course package. Both of these things will be included in the course package. Like it's not that you have to buy them separately, you'll get the access of both of them, but these will be separate things, like the practical filings and the taxation knowledge. So if someone want to have detailed knowledge about taxation, or Maybe someone is taking a course and at some time he feel that I want to have some detailed knowledge about that taxation. He can simply go to those separate classes for taxation knowledge. But there will be two portions in relation to practical filings and the taxation knowledge. Now comes about the tutor, about the tutor and approach. Like how will I be taking these things? Okay, like why you should be studying from me and what will be my approach. Okay, so when I talk about the tutor, my name is Owais Mirchawala. I told you guys at the start also. Okay, I'm a chartered accountant by profession. Okay, a chartered accountancy of UK, which is very much relevant for you guys. I'm ACCA and ICW qualified. Okay, teaching UK taxes, teaching UK taxation for more than 15 years. Okay, so an in-depth knowledge about tax planning and everything. Okay, and 30 plus students have secured, 30 plus students have nationwide positions in UK tax. So, you will be studying this course with UK Tax Guru. Like I can say it proudly. Like there would be no tutor in the market which has so many positions secured by their students. 30 plus students have nationwide positions in UK taxation. In UK taxation. Okay, these all are my students who have secured these 30 plus students who have secured these nationwide positions and my exposure of 15 plus years. So that's an impact creating thing. Okay, and I'm faculty and director at Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy. At Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy, which is an approved learning provider of UK-based chartered accountancy. Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy, approved learning provider of UK-based chartered accountancy. Okay? So, you will be studying from the best UK-based chartered accountancy. Now, what will be my teaching approach? See, when you will be studying from me, when you'll be taking my classes, you will have access, like if I talk about the study approach, you will have access to my online recorded classes, okay, which you can take on your own convenience, like on your availability. These are online recorded classes. Watch on convenience. Because my students are in different countries studying at different time zones. Watch your own convenience. You will have query support direct with tutor. You can directly contact me. Okay. We'll practically evaluate and do walkthroughs, practical evaluation and exploration of HMRC portal, the tax department portal. Like I'll be opening the portal on the screen of HMRC portal, company's house portal, and different softwares which are used for filings. Okay, so you'll have query support, there will be practical evaluation and explorations. Okay, and there will be practical guidance and advisory on how to get these clients and how to provide these services. Practical guidance and advisory for you guys also. Okay, for anything, you can always connect with me on my WhatsApp. That's 0092 345 8099 831. You can always connect with me directly also. So if I talk about this course, believe me, it will be an outstanding one. It will be an outstanding one because I live by this text. I have taught it so much and I enjoy teaching it. So when you'll be taking my classes, it will be a very great learning. Okay, you're looking at these all practical aspects, formation of the company, virtual address, bank accounts. Like we'll start from the very scratch. That if someone comes to you and say that, okay, I want to do a business in UK, how you have to start with it. Okay, benefits of doing business as a company, why you have to go with a company structure, not as a sole trader, everything. And then so on, we'll move towards the company's house things, we'll look at the tax return filings, use of different systems, and everything. Okay, so today's class was a basic introduction that how things will go about. Okay, obviously, from the next class, we'll go in the actual depth. We'll start from the discussion that how you have to form a UK based company, what are the benefits for it. We'll start the discussion from that. Okay, so I hope that my today's class must have given you some insight and some idea that what this course will be about. But still, if you have any queries, you can always connect with me on my WhatsApp number. This is my direct number. You can always connect with me if you have any queries. Okay, so everything will be in depth and in detail, and it will be a great learning. Okay, so hope to see you all in my next class, in which we will start with the company's legal matters, that how a company has to be formed, and we'll move forward. Okay, thank you, everyone.